Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Do you want to make $8.59 over and over automatically for years and you only need to work 3 hours per day for 30 days? Yes? Well, this is not for everyone. This is only for you if you have a laptop, phone, and internet connection. You want to work 3 hours per day for the next 30 days. You want to make a money tree that will grow, that you can harvest later. You're not addicted to instant gratification, and you've actually got a good work ethic. If that sounds like you, congratulations, you are qualified. But for the rest, please leave the video now, unsubscribe from the channel. This is not for you. You can do this for free anywhere in the world and make $8.59 over and over again. But my goal in this video is to show you an easy way to make money online in just 30 days. But if I give you my everything on this video, will you promise me to stay to the end? Because if you do, you can make even more money faster, and you'll be able to help and spend time with your family, your kids, and stay at home making money online. Warning, these results are not typical. You may earn $500 a day, $1,000 a day, or nothing at all. This strategy is real. Use it at your own risk. The site you need to go to is cj.com. Now, CJ is Commission Junction and is the biggest affiliate network, or one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world. Now, you're going to go on here because they have one of the best affiliate programs that I found this unique way that you can promote this that I don't see anybody else doing. And that's where you can literally take this idea that I'm going to give you right now in the next 30 days and make a ton of money with it. So just go to cj.com, go all the way down here. Where do you fit into the picture? You check right here, publisher, partner with the world's best brands. Just click on sign up right here, and then just click on language. So if you're Chinese or Polski, you can do that. Country, just select the country you're from, and then click on verify your email. Once you're inside, this is how it looks like. You're on the dashboard, and as you can see in the top, just click on advertisers right here. Now, I know CJ Affiliate, and I was wondering, like, what is the highest earnings per click that I could get? So basically, I don't waste my time just doing stuff for free, like all the YouTube geniuses tell you. Just give value and people will give you value. It doesn't work like that. But I wanted to see if I can get the highest earnings per click, but not just like the outlandish earnings per click, but they actually make money as well. And that's why I wanted to check it out. And the way you do that is just click right here, and then you can search for 3 months earning per click high to low right here. Now, it's actually pretty stupid because it's just shows new. So we gotta scroll a long way down, and we can see that we have to scroll a pretty far way down. And here we start looking, and as you can see, like the network earnings, you can see that they're at a 1, and these don't really get many sales. And here you see a 2. Again, these doesn't make any sales. And also earnings per click in svenska kronor. Swedish people, come on. Maybe we can make some IKEA money, but I mean, I wanted to see which ones that have a high earnings per click and it actually sells well. And that's why when I found this program right here, it's called Cover Hound, and you can see the network earnings here is at 3, which is really good. And you can see the 3-month EPC right here is $859 US, which is really high. And also the 7-day APC is $0, but this basically means that they haven't made a sale in the last 7 days. Now, what this basically means is they take all the money that they made from the last 3 months and they divide it by all the clicks that they get, and this is what it is. But it's not earnings per click, it's earning per 100 clicks. So if we just move the comma over, that's $8.59 per click, which is absolutely insanely high. If you would get 100 clicks to this affiliate program, you would make $800. Imagine if you get 100 clicks per day to this affiliate program, you would make $800. And I don't see anyone doing the exact strategy, and it's also so not competitive the way that I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So if you just click on more info, you can see all about this. You can see the URL right here, and this is a plan, prevent, and insure. So this is basically a cyber insurance and a business insurance company, and they actually check a lot of different insurance companies to make sure that you get the best. I have never sold insurance before, but I know how to do SEO really well, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Now you want to go back to the advertisers and you want to go to program terms. So here you can see that the commission you get per sale is $27 up to $30. And you can see that if someone clicks your link, they have a cookie placed on them for 30 days. So if they click your link and then they don't buy, and then they come back again and buy, then you will still get the sale, which is really nice. They also have some policies right here. So we are going to do search campaigns, and I'm going to show you that in just a second, but it's very important that you read here. So for example, search campaign prohibited. This means you cannot do it, and that means free, discount, promotion, sale, code, voucher. All of these you cannot do. If you do that, you will get basically banned from the affiliate product, then you can't sell the affiliate product. Again, this actually happened with some of my friends. It's not a good time when you get that email saying, hey, yo, you can't do this anymore, and then it's a waste of time. I'm always looking out for you guys. I'm not gonna get you guys to get banned, all right? This is a bad time. And you can see the commission right here is $27 flat. Is this action right here: cover hound sales, qualified lead, verified once in contact with insurance advisor. And then you have this $30 one, which is cyber policy sales. So it's basically cover hound and cyber policy are the different ones, but we're gonna focus on the $30 flat fee. Now, how are you going to sell this, and how can we basically plant a ton of seeds? I call them money seeds that we plant now, and they're not going to get us a sale today or tomorrow, but in the future, maybe a couple of months from now, these will grow and they will harvest into this massive, beautiful mountain, and you can just walk up to it and pick the money. The company is called Cyber Policy, right? And the thing is cyber insurance. So when a cyber attack hits, cyber insurance will get you back on your feet. So this is something that small businesses need, and they need to have it in case they get hacked. And more people get hacked, and now more than ever, because we're all moving over to the internet, right? And what do you think, if you were a small business owner, where would you go to learn about cyber insurance? You would go to youtube.com. So if we search for cyber insurance, you can see that 8,000 people per month are searching for this. Also, the cost per click for advertising is really high. So that means that, first of all, a lot of people are searching for it. Second of all, if you get ads on your videos, you're gonna get a really high CPM. So you make a lot of money from the AdSense. And the best part about this, there's literally no competition for this keyword. So you can see here, the competition is really low. The volume is also not the highest, but 44 out of 100. Now, I want to see you why this opportunity is so great, because this is made 1 year ago. This is made 1 year ago. This is made 4 months ago. This is 5 years ago. All of these are so old. There's nothing up to date. There's not even anybody talking about different companies. On top of that, if you just click on cyber insurance in the top, you can see 8,000 searches per month. And then here you can have cyber insurance explain, presentation, coverage, underwriting, India, policy, commercial, basics, opportunity, academy. You can make a video about all of these. And if that wasn't a big enough list of ideas, you can go to this tool called Uber Suggest. And I just wrote in cyber insurance right here. And you can see the keywords right here. All of these are getting 1,000, even 100 searches per month. Now, this is not the most searched per month keyword, obviously, but think about who would search that. Only the highest quality people would go through it. And if you can align yourself with the guys searching and a great offer, that's what you want to do. You can also see that the SEO difficulty for these words are just green, which is really good for you. Even 14 for some of these, and you can make a video about all of these right now and sell the cyber policy and earn $8.57 per click.